I think how it's helped me is to just embrace all of me, all the different parts of me, because up until discovering SMA, I was thinking more along the lines of like, okay, I'm a Libra, but I don't really resonate with all of the Libra because it's so one-dimensional. But understanding my connector traits and then the other underlying ones, it's the whole package. And that has really helped me to just grow as a person, to improve my relationship with my family. As soon as I started talking about this stuff, my kids, they started talking about it too. And I'm pretty sure my oldest is a maverick because he refuses to take the test. So yeah, just understanding more about myself, I've definitely become a better person, a better coach, better with money. Like I love the I Am Money visualization. It's expanded so much from my first impression of it. Just connecting with possibilities.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.